If you've been troubleshooting Steam issues, you've probably come across a command called Steam FlushConfig. Many guides recommend it for fixing login problems, download errors, update issues, connection failures, and various Steam startup problems. However, many users hesitate to use it because they're worried it might delete their games, remove their account, or erase important data. The good news is that Steam FlushConfig is completely safe when used correctly, and it does not delete your installed games. In this video, I'll explain exactly what Steam FlushConfig does, what changes, what it doesn't change, and how to use it safely without losing any of your games. First, let's understand what FlushConfig actually does. Steam stores configuration settings on your computer that control how the client operates. These settings include network preferences, download settings, interface options, update information, and other client-related data. Sometimes these configuration files become corrupted, outdated, or inconsistent after updates, crashes, or system changes. When that happens, Steam may start behaving strangely, displaying errors, failing to connect, refusing to update, or getting stuck during startup. The FlushConfig command resets these configuration files and forces Steam to rebuild them from scratch. One of the biggest myths about FlushConfig is that it deletes installed games. Fortunately, this is not true. The command does not remove games from your hard drive, delete save files, erase screenshots, remove achievements, or uninstall your Steam library. Your installed games remain exactly where they are. FlushConfig only resets Steam's client configuration files. You may want to use FlushConfig if Steam won't connect to the internet, gets stuck during startup, repeatedly shows update errors, refuses to download games, experiences unusual network problems, or displays various client-related errors that persist after basic troubleshooting. In many situations, resetting Steam's configuration is enough to resolve the problem. Before running the command, save any important work and close all running games. Although FlushConfig does not delete games, it's always a good idea to ensure Steam isn't actively downloading or updating anything. Once you're ready, close Steam completely. To run FlushConfig, press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. In the Run box, type Steam://FlushConfig and press Enter. A Steam dialog box will appear asking for confirmation. Click OK to continue. Steam will then reset its configuration files and clear certain client settings. After the process completes, restart your computer. While a restart is not always required, it helps ensure that Steam reloads its configuration correctly. Once your computer restarts, launch Steam normally. You may be asked to sign in again, which is completely normal. Simply enter your Steam account credentials and continue. Many users become concerned when Steam requests a login after running FlushConfig. This does not mean your account has been deleted or removed. Steam is simply rebuilding its configuration and needs to reconnect to your account. Once logged in, your installed games should still appear in your library exactly as before. It's also important to understand what FlushConfig does not fix. If your internet connection is unstable, your storage drive is failing, your antivirus software is blocking Steam, or important Steam program files are corrupted, FlushConfig alone may not solve the problem. In those situations, additional troubleshooting steps may be required. After using FlushConfig, you may notice that certain Steam preferences have been reset. For example, some download settings, interface options, or client preferences may return to their default values. This is expected because the configuration files have been rebuilt. You can simply reapply any custom settings you previously used. If Steam still isn't working correctly after FlushConfig, you can combine it with other troubleshooting methods, such as clearing the download cache, repairing the Steam library folder, verifying firewall permissions, deleting the app cache folder, or repairing Steam while keeping your games. These additional fixes often resolve deeper issues that configuration resets alone cannot address. To summarize, Steam FlushConfig is a safe troubleshooting tool that resets Steam's configuration files without deleting your installed games, save files, screenshots, achievements, or account data. It's especially useful for fixing startup issues, update problems, network errors, and various client-related glitches. Simply close Steam, run the command Steam://FlushConfig through the Run dialog, confirm the reset, restart your computer, and sign back into Steam. In many cases, this simple process is enough to restore normal Steam functionality. I hope this tutorial helped you understand how to use Steam FlushConfig without losing your gains. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more Steam troubleshooting guides, and turn on notifications so you never miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.